Yo, listen up, it's me, Kinghuman. It's me, Kinghuman, and look, I'm gonna lay it on ya. Coolsville Daddy-O, cats and kittens, pay attention. Boom goes dynamite. Okay, enough of the beatnik crap. Here's what's going down. You want passive income. If you want a way to get rich, you need passive income. Not active income, passive income. Well, what's the difference, Kinghuman? The difference is you're not trading your time for money. You need income that comes in whether you're working or not. While you're sleeping, you're making money. While you're at the pool, you're making money. While you're at the beach, you're making money. While you're golfing, you're making money. Whatever it is, it's coming in on autopilot. Now, I found something that has worked for me, and it's made me about 34 grand so far on passive income. I'm gonna show you exactly what's doing. Take a look and okay, just took a sip of tea. Now I want to get into this, and I want to help you guys make some dough. So pay attention to this whole video. At the end of this video, I'm going to give you something that's really valuable that I think is really going to make you guys some money. It's going to be totally free for you, right? So pay attention, watch this video. Even if you've seen me talk about this platform before, this is important. This can make you dough. So this is totally legit. I'm showing you how much money I made with this platform. $33,898.41. Now, what did it take me to make that kind of money? Practically nothing. Practically no effort. If memory serves, I made 2 crappy Facebook ads. I set a budget of 50 bucks. That's it, 50 bucks. I never even repeated the ads. I don't know. I just never got back to it, right? The other thing I did was I simply told people about it on social media. And that's Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Kishmian Takas, all of that crap. Nothing that was difficult, something anybody could do. Anybody can run Facebook ads. Anybody can post on social media. Anybody can post on Craigslist. Anybody can put a link out there in the ether and say, hey guys, you're interested in making some dough? Click this link and check it out for yourself. So that's what I did. Nothing, really nothing. And money comes in every day. Passive income. Now let me talk about passive income. You want passive income if you ever want to get rich. Active income is where basically you sell your time for money. You work a certain number of hours, you get a certain number of dollars. You want passive income that comes in whether you work or you don't work. It comes in 24/7, and you're not limited to how much money you can make. Now, I get passive income from this every week. Every Thursday, they pay me a good chunk of money, and I do zero work for it. So here's what happens. If you see this box right here, available, that's how much money I have available to withdraw. So when I click this button over here, withdraw request, the money moves over here into requested, and every Thursday they pay it, and then it'll go over here into how much I've gotten. So every Thursday, I come over here and I look at how much money I have available to me, and I'll just click this button and it goes into my PayPal account. That's it. That's the amount of work that I put into this. It's really nothing, no work. I'm not going to click this button today because it's only Wednesday. And as you can see, I've got another $115 over here on hold. So probably tomorrow that's going to move over here. And then it'll be $1,000. And it'll be Thursday. And I'll click the withdraw button and boom goes dynamite. I'll have made $1,000 this week from this doing zero work. So what is this and how do you get in on this? Okay, let me show you what's doing. I want you to go to click this link for moreinfo.com and you'll come to this page. And there's a video here that will explain everything. It'll explain it a lot better than I do. And I don't want to be redundant. I don't want to waste your time. I don't want to tell you something that you're going to see on another page anyway. What I want you to understand in this is, oh, there goes my phone. Let me shut this thing off, otherwise it'll drive you crazy. I do want to tell you this is 100% legit. I think this is the most legit thing I've ever come across. And again, the reason that this is legit is because of this figure, how much money I have made. And the reason I know this works for other people is because of how much money I made. Again, I'm not saying this is legit because it made me money. I'm saying it's legit because it made me money. And the only way I can make money is if the people I bring in to the system make money for themselves, because this is a revenue share plan. So I can't make a dime unless the people I bring in make money, because we split the money. So I hope that makes sense to you. And that's how I know this is legit. So come to this link and sign up. I implore you, give it a try. There's no risk. You know, you can try this out for, I think, 30 days. It's cheap. It's, you know, okay, I'm getting ahead of myself here. And I'm starting to sound hypey and excited. And I don't like to do that. But this is exciting. And I think it's a great opportunity for most people. And again, I want to be that guy. I want to be the guy that, you know, that you guys talk about and say, hey, that fat old bald fugly guy, I can't even talk. That fat old bald fugly guy, Kinghuman, made me my first money online. And I'm going from there. It's going great. So I want you guys to you know, I want to be the guy that turns you on to making money. And of course, yes, it will make me money too. So everybody wins. A rising tide raises all boats. It's a win-win situation. But it's not MLM. I don't want you guys to think this is an MLM situation. It's not. So anyway, come to this, you know, click this link for moreinfo.com, fill in your name, fill in your email address, and create a password, and then just click Start Your Business Now, risk-free. Don't use a bogus email address, because that's just going to screw you up later down the road. It's going to lock you out of the system. You're going to, you know, don't do it. It's stupid. It really. You know, you're not going to get spammed. You're not going to, whatever you're worried about, don't be a pansy. Just do it right. And then what happens when you click there, you're going to come to this page and you'll be able to see the whole video. You know, how to start the business of your dreams while you make money with this most innovative system. I kind of don't like the term money-making system, but in this case, it applies. It really is a money-making system. And there are more than one way for you to make money with this. Now, here's where it gets cool. When you join, they're going to give you, in your dashboard, there is a 30-day marketing plan for you. You know, they give you a plan of action every day. And, you know, personally, I didn't use that. I just went on social media and I just shared the link. And I said, hey, guys, check this out. Go on YouTube, go on Pinterest, go on wherever. You know, you could even hire an influencer on Instagram or Pinterest or YouTube and give them your link and get them to talk about it if you don't want to do it. You know, or make posts on Craigslist. Think about creative ways to share a link. That's it. And get started, because this is bank. And here's the thing. If you bring good people in, you know, under you, then you will make incredible passive income. For real. This is no joke. You know, money while you sleep, money while you play golf, money while you're at the beach, whatever, while you travel. This is the coolest thing I've ever seen, because this is the thing that makes me money while I screw around. And it's not just making me money, it's making the people I brought into it money. So I love that. I love that. because I'm not just making money off of people that are losing money. I'm making money off of people that are making money. We're partners. And that's what I love, you know? So anyway, one more time, click this link for moreinfo.com. I don't want to be too redundant. And now here comes the free killer thing I want to give you. Here's my plan. And hopefully I can put this into action. No promises. Okay, here's my plan. Here's what I plan to do. I'm going to stop being so lazy, because I know I can probably 10 times the amount of money I can make if I start putting up some good Facebook ads. So I'm going to try that. I'm going to try and get proactive with this and put up some good Facebook ads. And I'm going to do the research. I'm going to do the Facebook ads. I'm going to do everything. And I'm going to share my setups with you. At least that's the plan. I hope to do that. Maybe I'll do it. Maybe I won't. You know how I am. I'm pretty lazy. But in order to get access to that, there's 3 things you're going to have to do. First thing you're going to have to do is share this video. And I'm going to ask for proof of that. So you're going to have to share the hell out of this video with people that you think would benefit by making online income and passive online income. So share this video with people that you think, would benefit from it. And secondly, write down and remember this code, 1215. So in 30 days, I'm going to make a follow-up video, and I'm going to put a form. I'm going to tell you guys to go to a web page, and on that web page, I'm going to have some locked content. To get access to that content, you're going to have to show me that you shared this video, and you're going to have to know that code 1215. And you're going to have to enter that. And once you enter that, it's going to unlock the page, and you're going to get my training on how to make this work and my Facebook setup. Thousands of dollars worth of training. This is real stuff. Now, again, I'm not promising this. This is my idea. And, sometimes I get into digressions, and I have so many other things going on that I may not have time to do it, but I will try my best to do it. And if I don't do it, don't get mad, because this alone, on its own, should make you guys dough. This isn't rocket surgery here. If I can do this, anybody can do it. It's not like I'm a one of a kind situation. If you can share a link on social media, if you can run a Facebook ad, even if you can't, you can learn how by taking that 30-day action plan. Okay, I'm done talking. Do it, don't do it. It's up to you. You can see the kind of money that's on the table here, passive income. And that's it, Click this link for moreinfo.com. Share the video. Special code 1215. And Bayanara, all the best, and help a kid with a donation to St. Jude's Research Hospital for Kids. All right. Cheers.